Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to create a high converting landing page using GetResponse in under 8 minutes video. Whether you are collecting emails, selling something or launching a webinar, this is the easiest way to do it. GetResponse isn't just for email marketing, it has a built-in drag and drop landing page builder that lets you design mobile responsive pages with no coding. Perfect for lead generation, opt-in forms, and even product pages. First of all, go to getresponse.com, sign in, and from the dashboard, or sign up if you haven't already an account. Just enter your full name like that, then enter your email and create a strong password, then click create free account. Then log into your account using your credentials. Or sign in with your Google account. Once you are in, click on tools, then landing pages, then hit create landing page, and you will see dozens of ready-made templates for all kinds of goals, email capture, and sales thank you pages, and more. Let's pick a simple email capture template. This opens the drag and drop editor. Here's what you can do. Edit text directly on screen. Replace images and logos, customize colors and fonts. Add form fields like name, email, phone. Drag in elements like buttons, countdown, or videos. Make sure your message is clear and your button has a strong CTA, like get my free guide or join now. Just go to dashboard, then tools, then landing page, select or create landing page, and pick a template from here and edit text, images, colors, prompt fields, etc. Click on the sign up form to connect it with your email. Click form, then settings. Choose contact list. Or fields. Make sure it's connected to an autoresponder or automation workflow. If you want to send a welcome email, you can also enable GDPR checkboxes or set custom thank you pages after submission. When you are done, hit next step or continue button. Choose your URL. Set your SEO settings like title, description, and favicon. Enable analytics or Facebook pixel tracking if needed. Then click continue and hit publish, and your landing page is now live. A few quick tips before we warp. Always A and B. Test your landing pages with different headlines. Keep forms short. Only ask for what you need. Use clear CTA buttons and keep your design clean. Connect your page to automation workflows to follow up instantly. And that's how to build a beautiful landing page with GetResponse in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full email funnel tutorial next. Thanks for watching.